Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the early 1990s with a focus on readability and simplicity. Its clean syntax makes it one of the easiest languages for beginners to learn, yet it is powerful enough for professional software development. Python is widely used in web development, automation, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, and scientific research. Companies and startups often choose it because developers can build solutions quickly with fewer lines of code. Java. Java was introduced by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. It became famous for the idea of write once, run anywhere, allowing programs to work across different operating systems. Java remains a major choice for enterprise software, banking systems, Android applications, and large-scale back-end services. Its stability and strong ecosystem have helped it remain relevant for decades. JavaScript. JavaScript was created by Brendan Eich in 1995 to make websites interactive. What began as a browser scripting language has grown into one of the most important technologies on the internet. Today, JavaScript powers dynamic websites, web applications, browser games, and even server-side systems through platforms like Node.js. Nearly every modern website uses JavaScript in some form. C. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the early 1970s at Bell Labs. It is one of the most influential programming languages ever created and serves as the foundation for many modern languages. C gives programmers direct control over hardware and memory, making it ideal for operating systems, embedded devices, and performance-critical software. Much of today's computing world traces its roots back to C.
C++. C++ was created by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension of C. It combines low-level hardware control with advanced programming features such as object-oriented programming. Because of its speed and efficiency, C++ is commonly used in game engines, graphics software, financial systems, and applications that demand high performance. Many popular games and desktop programs rely on C++ behind the scenes. C#. C# was developed by Anders Hejlsberg at Microsoft in the early 2000s. It was designed to simplify software development within the Microsoft ecosystem while maintaining strong performance. C# is heavily used for desktop applications, web development with ASP.NET, cloud services, and game development through Unity. Many independent game developers first encounter programming through C#. PHP started in 1994 as a simple tool created by Rasmus Lerdorf. Over time, it evolved into one of the most widely used web development languages. PHP powers a significant portion of websites and content management systems, including WordPress. It is mainly used for back-end web development, handling databases, user authentication, and server-side processing. Ruby was created by Yukihiro Matsumoto in Japan during the 1990s. The language was designed to make programming enjoyable and productive. Ruby gained global popularity through the Ruby on Rails framework, which helped startups build web applications quickly. Many successful tech companies used Ruby during their early growth stages because of its developer-friendly design. Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014 as a modern replacement for Objective-C. It was designed to make application development for Apple devices easier, safer, and faster. Swift is primarily used to build apps for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Its clean syntax has attracted both beginners and experienced developers. Kotlin was created by JetBrains and later gained strong support from Google. It offers a modern approach to software development while remaining compatible with Java. Kotlin is widely used for Android app development and back-end systems. Many developers appreciate it because it reduces boilerplate code and improves readability. TypeScript was developed by Microsoft as an extension of JavaScript. It adds static typing and extra development tools that help manage large projects. TypeScript has become extremely popular for building modern web applications because it helps developers catch errors before software reaches production. Many large front-end projects now use TypeScript instead of plain JavaScript. SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, is different from most programming languages because it is designed specifically for working with databases. It allows users to store, retrieve, update, and manage information efficiently. Almost every major application that uses data relies on SQL in some form. Banks, hospitals, e-commerce platforms, and social networks all use SQL to manage massive amounts of information. Assembly. Assembly is one of the lowest level programming languages commonly used by humans. It communicates very closely with a computer's processor and hardware. Programs written in assembly can be extremely fast and efficient, though they are also more difficult to write and maintain. It is often used in embedded systems, firmware, and situations where precise hardware control is essential.